Hello, I'm Ken Johnston from Stevens Group. Wanted to just show you a product which some of you may or may not have seen before, but obviously this here is the Stevens 1800W electric deck lift. This deck lift, as you know, used to make a manual deck lift back in the day, which we've since stopped, but we believe this product is very superior to it for a couple of reasons. It does everything the old one did, but it also does a lot more than that. So as you can see, as an operator would normally use it, this here is flat down there. The reason for that is it obviously still allows your deck to float down and go with the contours, and it also reduces the trip hazard. First to admit that the noise isn't the prettiest with this electric lift, but we've got one here which we've done literally thousands and thousands of lifts up and down with it because we were concerned, and we've never ever had an issue with one yet. We've had them out on the market for quite a long time now, and we haven't had one single issue with the product. So we're very confident and excited about this product. Thanks for watching.